Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I will create a two type of clock. One will be a slide digital clock and another one will be analog clock. I select these two packages because it's very simple and those who are new to Flutter they can easily understand that. So that's why I select these two packages. One the slide digital clock is in front of your screen now, and the analog clock will be look like just wait a minute. Will be look like that. So let's start. Let's create how to do it. So first of all we will create a new Flutter project and we will name it analog clock. Our project is open, so now let's go to Google and search analog clock Flutter, and you should go to this package and let's go to installing. Now let's select this and go to our pubspec.yml and paste here under dependency and select pubget. So first of all we will clean this. It's our home page. So now let's create a new class. You can simply create by just write stf, which will create a stateful widget. And what is a stateful widget and stateless widget, I will make a different video for that, so stay tuned for that. Scaffold. Let's create a bar for our app. We will name it analog clock. So now let's run this so you guys can see it side by side. Sorry, one thing that I forget, that I using a Flutter 2.0 and in which some packages are not in null safety, and I think analog clock is one of them. Just simply write Flutter run no sound null safety. Now run this. So our project is now open and you can see I already created a bar for that. Now let's create a body and we will simply write analog clock. Okay, and let's hard reload it. Now you can see analog clock is in front of your screen. I simply use this analog clock which is provided by the analog clock package in Flutter. So now let's do a design in that. We'll simply write decoration and box decoration. So let's give it a border. With width of 3.0 and let's give it a colors dot black and hard reload it. You can see a border but it's a little bit messy, so let's correct it. We will simply give the color to the box. Okay, let's give it a shape. Box shape. Dot circle. Now that's look a little bit nice. So now let's do something more in it. Let's give a width 200. Okay, let's make it center. By simply repeat it with the center and hard reloaded. Now it's in a center. Give a color to the digits, so we can do it by simply writing our hand color, colors dot white. Now let's create a minute. Now let's create a color for minutes, colors dot and for second. Colors dot white. Hard restarted. It look nice little bit. Now give color to our numbers. Colors dot white. It's nice. If you guys want to not show those number, just simply write show number pulse, but we need it, so let's remove this. The size of digit is very small, so let's increase this. We can do it by simply writing test scale factor, and let's give it a size of 1.5. Hard is started. And now we need a digital clock here, so we can do it by simply writing show digital clock and make it true. Now let's I think it's in black color, so let's make it white. Digital clock color dot white. Now that's look perfect. So okay guys, it's all done, and you can see in front of your screen. So, but now let's give a background color to app bar and to the body, and we can give it by background color, colors dot yellow. Let's give black color to the text. We can do it by simply style, text style. Okay, that's look perfect. Let's give a color to the body, background color, colors dot okay. So now it's all done. I think the white color was matching with the black clock, but I did it by simply that you guys understand how give background color to the app bar and to the body. Let's create a new project for our digital clock. So it's done. And now we will do a same for the digital clock. So let's search digital clock Flutter. And now let's copy this command and run it at terminal, and it will automatically add this package to our pubspec.yml. Okay, it's done. So now let's create a project. So we'll do the same for it. Create a bar for it. So now let's run this project. Okay, a bar is done. So now let's create a body and just simply write digital clock. So you can see the digital clock, but it's a little bit mess. So let's give a proper design to it. Let's give area decoration to it. Let's give a color. And now let's give a radius. Give a color to it. Okay, the design of digital clock is looking nice now. Now let's rate this digital clock in a container and give it a height 50. Now make it center. Okay, so now let's do some more design in it. I think we should give it a 20. Let's look nice. Make it center. Okay, that's it. I think it was sufficient for today, and you guys can make changes according to your need. And it was very simple project, I know, but I created simply for those who are beginner to Flutter, so they can easily understand that how front-end work in Flutter. And we will make more videos in future, in which I will go to the backend and make a video in detail about Flutter. And that's it for today. So see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.